Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best remanufactured toner cartridge on the market. The Inksters America Remanufactured Toner cartridge, specifically the replacement for the HP Q5953A, also known as the HP 643A, in magenta. This toner cartridge is designed for color laser printers and is compatible with models like the Color LaserJet 4700, 4700N, 4700DN, 4700DTN, and 4700PH. If you own any of these printers, this cartridge promises to be a perfect fit. One of the standout features of this cartridge is its remanufactured nature. It is carefully rebuilt from an original cartridge, which makes it an environmentally friendly choice while maintaining high performance. Inksters America backs this product with a solid 2-year warranty and a 100% performance satisfaction guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. In terms of printing capacity, this cartridge offers a page yield of up to 10,000 pages at 5% page coverage, which is typically considered letter or A4 size pages. This makes it an excellent option for offices or individuals who need a reliable supply of magenta toner without constantly replacing cartridges. The color quality is vivid and sharp, ensuring your documents and graphics come out with clear, rich magenta tones that are true to the original colors you expect from your printer. This is particularly important for businesses or creatives that rely on accurate color reproduction. Another advantage of choosing this remanufactured cartridge is the cost-effectiveness. While original OEM cartridges can be quite expensive, the Inksters America Remanufactured Toner offers a high-quality alternative that doesn't break the bank, giving you great value without sacrificing quality. The cartridge itself weighs just over 4.5 pounds, making it sturdy but manageable to install and replace. It includes everything you need right in the box. Just insert it into your printer and you're good to go. This product also supports compatibility with both PCs and laptops, ensuring it works seamlessly with your printing setup. Whether you're printing reports, presentations, or vibrant marketing materials, this toner cartridge is designed to deliver consistent and dependable results. In summary, the Inksters America Remanufactured Toner cartridge for the HP Q5953A, HP 643A, in magenta is a reliable, eco-friendly, and cost-efficient choice for your printing needs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in this cartridge, check it out and see how it can meet your printing demands with quality and value. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.